If you are a healer, you have to heal yourself first. If you want to get results for whatever healing you do on people, you need to know that you have to radiate in higher energies. You have to get healed from your own trauma. You have to be purified. You have to work a lot on your stuck energy, whatever reason it could be. Most of the times I get my clients as healers who are stuck in their journey, whether you are an animal healer or a dog healer, a horse healer or pet healer or human healer. You may be a Reiki practitioner, or you may be any kind of energy healer, or you have learned many methodologies to heal people. What happens is that you teach the techniques and the tools to the people and also apply healing methodologies through different natural ways or the energetic ways. But what you don't understand is that you are not a good conductor of electricity. The life force in you is stuck. The electricity that I am talking about is the cosmic electricity. It is the cosmic life force that flows in your body, and you act as a conductor to conduct that to your clients, to your patients or to your students. But if you are not a good conductor of electricity, the energy of the cosmos, the cosmic energy, that is the healing energy of the universe, does not flow in your system. It is like your electric circuit is blocked in between, and the resistance from your own trauma, the resistance from your own blockages are acting as an obstruction for that universal force of energy to flow through you. Now what happens in such cases? I unblock the energies through different techniques, different powerful secret methodologies, and I work directly on your trauma and on your energy blockages based on your diagnosis. So I diagnose your energy body through my powers, and I specifically work to unblock those energies, and miracles happen in my presence. This means that I have the power of my presence, my intention and attention and my presence work the most for you. That is the benefit of my one-to-one consultation, and that acts directly on unblocking your blockages due to trauma or due to suppressed emotions or due to any kind of unknown trauma or unknown blocked energies that has been carried forward from different energy fields. You are an energy field, and what happens in your journey of becoming a healer, you have picked up many kind of negative energies from the fields, different kinds of other fields. Most of the time what happens, the healers, those who have started the journey quite early in their life, the other people and patients with whom they work, they suck all of their auric energy, they suck all of their electromagnetic field energy and make them weaker. This means that your energy field is totally wiped off. It needs to be rejuvenated, and with my techniques you get your brain and nervous system healed first, your physical body is healed first, then your mental body, and then your energetic body, and you become integrated and powerful with time, with your practices. So if you are committed to become a great healer, you have to first heal from your own limitations, and you have to become a strong individual who is radiating grace, who is radiating power, who is radiating love, who is radiating the professionalism to be trusted on. Most of the time some healers come that people don't trust them anymore. Why the distrust has happened? This is because your healing power has no impact on them just with the techniques and tools. It is like you are going to the gym, you are working only on your physical body, and you are doing it like robotic activity, like patterns, repeating the program of how to move your muscles. But if you are not internally driven towards that the physical health aspects of doing the gym. Why you are going to the gym? Just to show off your body, or you want to just get into the health aspects of doing the gym? So likewise, if you want to get healed, one first technique that I am going to teach you that you can do is breath awareness. 24/7 be aware of your breath. This is the first step towards becoming a healer who is healed and who can work on other people. Rest of the techniques you can learn from me individually through one-to-one session, and for that you can email to my team about whatever your state of stuckness is, and rest of the things I can guide you in the session, and I can move your energy, I can move your life force towards a new life that is awaiting for you. If you are healed, you will be able to add more value to your clients, you will become a better professional, and you will be wealthy in the yogic sense. This means you will earn yogic wealth and you will grow in prosperity and power. So book your first consultation and go ahead in life. If you are willing to work more, then I have different projects through which I work on you one-to-one if you are committed to investment in yourself. Becoming healer is one of the biggest investment that you will do in yourself by healing yourself first, and rest will follow. Thank you and bye-bye.